Birthday card. Arrange all the activity materials together, that is, design birthday card, cutout of cake, glue, sketch pens, watercolor, brush, and number cutouts. Tell the child that he or she will be decorating a birthday card for the friend. Now encourage child to color the cake using sketch pens. Guide to use any color the child like. After the coloring, praise the child for his creativity. Next, guide the child to glue the extensions on both ends of the cake cutout and paste it inside the birthday card to give it a 3D appearance. Like this. Similarly, glue the number cutout. Ask the child to write a birthday message in the space provided using sketch pens. Now, help the child dip the thumb in watercolor and make impressions in the balloons like this. This helps in development of fine motor skills when the child presses the fingers on any sheet. Similarly, decorate the entire card. This activity fosters creativity and self-expression.